Hi, please enjoy my travelogue of Dominican Republic.
Welcome home. I'm Richard Rich from Mixer Solutions. Now we're gonna start the party. I got a glass of champagne for you.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Welcome.
Salud. Just entering this typical Dominican house. Okay.
Bye.
Right.
Sí, está haciendo algo. My family, welcome to the typical Dominican house. As you can see, the roof is metal. We call that kind of roof zinc. Okay, so when it's sunny, the house get really hot inside. This is the living room. That is the dining room. It's together. So because it get really hot at 12 or 1 o'clock, they have another table outside. You're gonna use the grater. So check it out. How you can make this at home. If you make your own, the coconut oil is better for you because the coconut oil from the supermarket have a lot of chemicals and preservatives. So this one is natural.
Organic.
Organic.
Yeah.
You're right, my lady. Thank you. It's better like that. Organic. Yeah, baby. That's really good. Check it out. He got the coconut here. Está bien. Un poquito de agua. And now, look, you squeeze it, and you're going to get the coconut milk. You see?
Oh,
That's
okay.
the coconut milk, you see?
So you just add the water.
Water,
Okay.
you add to the coconut after you use the grater.
Yeah.
And that's what you get, coconut
Oh,
milk, okay?
I didn't know that.
So the coconut milk, my family,
Yeah.
that coconut milk, you put it in a pot
Yeah.
with water, okay, for
Yeah.
45 minutes. You turn it off, boom, and you leave it there for 2 or 3 hours.
I'm in the Dominican Republic and I'm having this hands-rolled cigar. And this is the gentleman who's made them.
Here, this is Roangel cigar. This is Dominican tobacco. It's a very, very good cigar. It's the original cigar, Roangel cigar.
Thank you. And I'm also having one of their native drinks, which contains rum. So, salud. Thank you.
Pa. Yeah, baby.
I am just entering this chocolate store in the old town of Santo Domingo. Oh, hot tea, okay. It's good. Very sweet. So what's the name of this drink? It's a
Marijuana.
Sí, le pueden poner un poquito de hielito, si quieren, un vasito con un poco de hielo.
Muchas gracias.
Darle algo.
Okay.